Greenwave Automation specializes in energy management systems. We concentrate on commercial, new and existing buildings. We work with architects, engineers, tenants, building owners. What we specialize in is reducing your electricity consumption through the design and implementation of building management systems. So basically all systems, utilities run independently, so HVAC, lighting, generators, UPS, etc. So we bring all the systems onto one user-friendly platform. Benefits include business continuity. You can receive email alerts to equipment downtimes. If temperatures go through a certain degree, we can monitor chillers. We can reduce KVA demand by monitoring equipment and then, say, throttling back chillers to reduce your KVA demand. Other systems we install is occupancy sensors to control lights, so you move into areas, lights turn on, turn off according to occupancy, power factor correction. But basically these are all brought together using building management systems, smart metering. We are system integrators for Schneider Electric. So our systems are backed by a big giant in the electrical industry, but we do the work physically hands-on. We've got sites that are up and running, implemented. Examples are Sanrail, we're part of the energy management team there, Cell C, their new call center, and Lafarge is in the head office. Okay.
Cool.
Greenwave Automation is also involved with home automation. We get involved with homes of the future, smart homes, where we use the Schneider C-Bus equipment to control, monitor lighting usage, multi-room audio. We can integrate into security. Basically your home becomes a smart home where you can manage and automate control via your iPad or your iPhone. Or we have lovely smart touchpads that you can control your home on the touch of a button.
Hi, Nigel Armstrong from Greenwave Automation. We specialize in energy, building management systems within existing and new buildings. With existing buildings, we work closely with the occupants of the building. We do an energy audit. Now this energy audit consists of a power quality audit and a system audit to determine the return on investments on the equipment that you will be investing in. Our equipment that we install varies from changing lamps to installing occupancy sensors, power factor correction, integration to the HVAC systems to reduce your peak demand charge. Within new buildings, we work very closely with the engineers, professional team of the building. We install a monitoring system to monitor and control all your utilities of your building, right through from HVAC, right through your generators, UPSs, water consumption, power consumption of your building. It helps you understand on how your building's acting in a day-to-day manner. Our systems we provide is that the facilities manager can log on to the building from anywhere from home to make sure that his building is healthy and ready for the occupants of the building. Come in. Okay, we're logged on remotely to this building in Parktown. As we can see, we're integrating to the utilities of this building: HVAC, power, fire, generator, UPS, lifts and water. What we can see here, we can see actually the live consumption of the building. So what this value here is a VA per square meter. This indicates on how your building's performing against other buildings, so we can even drill down to a per square meter rate. Here we have a CO2 of grams produced on your power that you're consuming at this present moment. And also we have outdoor ambient temperatures and humidity. Now we're going to go through and log into the different utilities of this building. We're going to start with the power. We've integrated to an existing power system. So what this displays is that you can see a breakdown of where your power is going within your building. So here we can see that the UPSs are supplying a big portion, and the HVAC of the building is supplying, let's say, a fifth of the building. Server room, generator and so forth. What we do with this information, we do what we call a peak demand prediction. So based on your instantaneous values within your half-an-hour period, we can predict your half-an-hour average. Based on your half-an-hour average, we can control equipment to reduce your peak demand charge. By controlling this equipment, we're not going to save you kilowatts, but we're going to save you kVA in your peak demand charge. So what we're doing is shifting load. So once this value gets to close to zero or negative, that means we must shift the load. So what we do, we send a signal to the chillers, and the chillers must throttle back, release a little bit of load, just for a 5-minute period, just until that peak is gone, reducing your kVA, reducing your cost at the end of the month.